While significant height increases in adults between the ages of 30 and 50 are unlikely due to the closure of growth plates, certain exercises can help improve posture, stretch the spine, and enhance overall body alignment, which can contribute to a taller appearance. Here are 10 exercises that can help. Cobra stretch. The cobra stretch is a yoga pose that elongates the spine and strengthens the back muscles. How to do it? Lie on your stomach with your palms under your shoulders. Slowly lift your chest off the ground by straightening your arms. Keep your hips on the floor and stretch as much as possible. Hold the position for 15 to 30 seconds and then relax. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Bridge pose. The bridge pose helps stretch the spine and strengthen the lower back and hip muscles. How to do it? Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Place your arms at your sides with palms facing down. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, forming a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold the position for 15 to 30 seconds. Slowly lower your hips back to the floor. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Cat-cow stretch. The cat-cow stretch is a gentle yoga sequence that improves flexibility and stretches the spine. How to do it? Start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Inhale and arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone towards the ceiling, cow pose. Exhale and round your back, tucking your chin to your chest and pulling your belly button towards your spine, cat pose. Continue this flow for 10 to 15 repetitions. Pelvic shift. The pelvic shift stretches and strengthens the lower back and abdominal muscles, promoting better posture. How to do it? Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your arms at your sides. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, creating a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Hold the position for 15 to 30 seconds. Slowly lower your hips back to the floor. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Forward spine stretch. The forward spine stretch lengthens the spine and improves flexibility. How to do it? Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you, feet hip width apart. Extend your arms forward, parallel to the floor. Slowly bend forward from your hips, reaching toward your toes. Hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds. Return to the starting position. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Hanging exercise. Hanging exercises decompress the spine and improve posture. How to do it? Find a sturdy horizontal bar that can support your weight. Grip the bar with your hands shoulder width apart and let your body hang freely. Hold the position for as long as you can, aiming for at least 15 to 30 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Leg stretch. Leg stretches help lengthen the muscles in the legs and improve flexibility. How to do it? Sit on the floor with your legs extended. Reach forward and try to touch your toes. Hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds. Return to the starting position. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Child's pose. Child's pose is a gentle stretch that lengthens the spine and relaxes the back muscles. How to do it? Kneel on the floor with your big toes touching and knees spread apart. Sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward, lowering your forehead to the floor. Hold the position for 30 to 60 seconds. Return to the starting position. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Swimming. Swimming is an excellent full-body exercise that stretches and strengthens muscles, improving overall posture and flexibility. How to do it? Swim regularly using various strokes like freestyle, breaststroke, and backstroke. Aim for at least 30 minutes of swimming, 2 to 3 times per week. Side stretch. Side stretches elongate the muscles along the sides of your body, improving flexibility and posture. How to do it? Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Raise your right arm over your head and bend your body to the left, stretching your right side. Hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds. Return to the starting position and switch sides. Repeat 3 to 5 times on each side. Conclusion. While you cannot significantly increase your height after the growth plates have closed, engaging in regular exercises that improve posture, flexibility, and spinal health can help you stand taller and appear more elongated. Incorporating these exercises into your daily routine can enhance your overall well-being and contribute to a more confident, upright posture. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.